Yarn to fabric. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. Okay, let's move to weaving first. Weaving. In activity 2, you might have noticed that fabric is made up of two sets of yarns. We saw no cross plus cross structure, one horizontal, one vertical, horizontal. Two sets of yarns were needed, right? It's a mesh, it's a net. So when we saw the piece of fabric, we saw that it's not a single thread, it's a set of threads, set of yarns. So please underline, the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. Okay, the process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. Now let's try to weave some paper strips. So this is your another interesting activity which you have to do. So you can check here in the diagram. Can you check here? Yeah, so you can take two different color strips, color papers, and then you make the strips and you have to weave like this and you have to show it to me. This is going to be your activity. Yeah, so let's start. In activity 2, you have noticed that fabric is made up of two sets. Yeah, so this we have already seen. So the process of arranging the two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. We are moving ahead to activity number 5. What you have to do is to take two sheets of papers. You take any color, whatever color you like, two different contrasting colors you can take. Take two sheets of paper of different colors. Cut square pieces of length and width 30 centimeter each sheet. Okay, so square means the length should be also 30 centimeter and the width should be also 30 centimeter, right? Now fold both the sheets into half, right? On one sheet draw lines as shown in the figure. Okay, you can check in the first sheet how. First you have to fold it into half. You can check here, you have to, it's folded in the half and then the lines are drawn. Okay, once the lines are drawn and then you can see there is a margin drawn here, so you have to check this. Okay, so we have drawn the lines, we have folded it and drawn the lines. Figure 3.12a and on the others shown in the figure 3.12b. Now cut both the sheets along the dotted lines. So this is the first sheet, this is the second sheet. Okay, in the first sheet you have to cut through, okay, till the end. In the second sheet you can see there is a line over here. The first sheet till the end you have to cut it through. In the second one there is a line here, so you have to be careful while cutting it. You have to cut till the end only. You don't have to reach through the end throughout. Okay, so cut both the sheets along the dotted lines and then unfold it. Now weave the strips one by one through the cuts in the sheets of the papers as shown in the figure. So here you can see, yeah, because the second sheet is, you can see the margins are here, so it's not strips, you won't get the strips, you get a mat over here with the lines and you just have to pass the another color up and down, up and down. So that's how you get your mats ready. So cut the sheets of a paper as shown in figure 3.12c and 3.12d. So see, look at this, 3.12d, everything is ready here, so it's ready, right? Now moving ahead, your paper mat is ready. So the patterns of the weaving you can see here, so beautiful pattern with the contrasting color you can see, right? So here we are done with the weaving. Yeah, can you see a handloom? What's happening here? In a similar manner, two sets of yarns are woven to make a fabric. So this lady is making a fabric. Yeah. So this is again interesting. You have to please underline. The yarns are much thinner than the paper strips. Paper strip was very thick, But the yarns, of course, we know threads are very thin. Of course, weaving of fabric is done on the looms. The looms are either hand operated or power operated. Okay, so here in the picture you can see this lady. She is making the fabric out of the fibers on the loom. Okay, out of the yarns on the loom. Okay, so this is hand woven. Okay, similarly this can be done on the machine, right? So here we are done with the weaving part.